Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing algebra problem, that is x times x minus x equal 336, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this x times x minus x equal 336, we can write this x as x cubed minus x equal 336. So there are multiple methods to solve this type of problem. So one of the easiest method we will learn today. So we have to make this LHS equals to RHS. So here in LHS, here is x cube minus x. So that means a cube of a number. When we subtract that number from it, so we get 336. So what we can do, we can find the nearby cube of this number. So if we start with 2, so 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 can't be 336. Similarly, 3 cube is 227, not possible. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 256. Whereas 7 cube is 343. So yes, 7 cube is nearby this 336, the most closest one. So if we put x equals 7, so it becomes 7 cube minus 7. 7 cube is 343 minus 7. So this gives 336. So what is the value of x? 7. I hope it's clear and you find this method very useful. If you find it useful, so don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. With the same trick, can you solve this one in homework? X times x plus x equal 222. Comment down your answer. What is the value of x for you? Thank you so much.